In today's video, we're going to look at how to create turnover packages within Shopfloor. Now there's two ways we can go about doing this. One will be with the Manage Jobs section, and one will be within the equipment itself. First, I'm going to show you from Managing Jobs, and this is most useful when you have multiple pieces of equipment. By selecting Manage Jobs, I'll then search for the job that I'd like to download a turnover package for. And then in the upper right hand corner, I can export my job package. Now before I do, I just want to show you that I have multiple pieces of equipment. So we'll be able to create a traveler for each of those pieces of equipment, as well as the attachments that are included in those pieces of equipment and the attachments for this job. So going back to the top, I'm going to export my job package. And here I'll be able to include my welding forms, the travelers, and any drawings I've uploaded, or my attachments here. Once I click export, the software will then go through and package all those documents together in a zip file for me. And once the zip file is created, I'll be able to save that locally on my desktop, where I can then open up that zip file. So here you'll be able to see all of the welding forms. So we have our PQRs, our WPSs, all those will be in here, as well as our travelers for each of the pieces of equipment. So here we have a piping traveler and a vessel traveler, and then our uploaded files as well as the attachments. Now, if we go up a level, you'll also be able to extract these documents by right-clicking and extracting all in case you need to get access to those files inside. Now, as I mentioned before, we can also do this on the job level. So if I close out my menu, we can do this from the equipment level, pardon me. So at this time, we're going to go to Manage Equipment, and I'll use that same job to find one of those pieces of equipment here. Perfect. So I'm going to view my first piece of equipment, and we'll notice that we can still export our documents here. So if I select that option down here at the bottom, I can generate that document package or turnover package, if you will. And again, I can select the forms that I would like to be included in that package. So again, we'll click export. And once those documents are packaged, I'll have a zip file. And that zip file I can again save to my desktop and open up to view those documents. So here I have my traveler, and then I have the welding procedures that were used as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like to see a live demonstration, please email sales@codeware.com or give us a call at area code 941-927-2670. Thank you, and we hope you have a great day.